It's 7:59 a.m. and today is November 16, 2024, and it's Saturday. That's that special food right there, the Sheba. So he's gonna be happy. So I don't see the panther. I don't know if she came, he ran her away. I don't know, but he's getting his grub on. I don't see her anywhere. So he loves that Sheba. He's gonna go eat it from it's like an Alfredo something Sheba. It's on one of my other YouTubes. It's 8:11. I just started sweeping leaves from over here. You know, they can continue to fall, but at least you do a little bit. Yeah, they're just falling. It's beautiful though. It's beautiful. Still gonna sweep them up just a little bit. And I'm gonna sweep that water down some because I don't think it's gonna rain again today. Yesterday I started some of the, I won't say heavy Thanksgiving, but I've been getting like a little bit at a time, you know. So today I want to just kind of knock it out the park. Yesterday I got like the cheeses and your cheese. I already got the Velveeta cheese, but just your shredded cheese. And I think what I got yesterday with just the cheese, the pie crust, and that the dough for the peach cobbler, that stuff came up to $120 something, probably with tax. But I had like $50 on shower gel, other stuff that was needed in the house. But that's what I'm gonna do today. I understand what when people who are like farmers or people that work outdoors with nature on the farm, it can be very therapeutic, you know. It's hard work, it ain't no joke, but it's good for your mind, good mental health, helps you to have clarity. You just get out and start doing it. There go Tuxedo over there, he ate good. I'm gonna take a picture of that Sheba, the little snack I got for him. So it's 8:18 a.m. and I basically finished, and you can see where the water went all the way down. And right here, so it's good. So it's 8:35 a.m. and today is Sunday. Let's sweep some of these leaves from over here. So today is Monday. It's 11:03 a.m. and I had their food ready this morning, probably a little before 7, a little after 7 this morning. And Tuxedo jumped on that bucket and the panther was right there, and then he chased her off, and I kept calling him, and he stopped and paused like he heard me, and then he just went on ahead and she ran off. And so I waited. I said, well, you start doing that, I'm not gonna give you any food. So I said I would put it out, and I was gonna put some behind the garage, but of course it's wet now and the rain would just wash the food out. So it's 8:46 a.m. and today is Tuesday. I was hoping that the panther came, which this one ran off the other day. And when he did that, I didn't feed him until late. So I'm waiting on her to come back. So the trees are still shedding, still Look at this thing, been there forever. Stuck. Yeah. Called the city about it. Wow. Sweep some of these leaves from over here. Old window. Tuxedo finished eating here. I don't know if it's like saving his food or what. He does that motion thing like trying to vary the rest of his food. I don't know. So I swept leaves over there. I sweep them right here. It's 8:57 a.m. So I'm gonna sweep this little area. I did this, so I'm gonna push the food back. So, so he ate pretty good. He ate like almost 2 cans. Cause I put like 1 whole meow mix on top of oh, was that the one with the dry food? Yeah. So he ate almost 2 cans. So I swept quite a bit. Let's see, just sweep a little bit in this area. Sweep a little bit. So this is a lot of water. It's covering like around 3/4 of the width of the alley across here. But still, it'll help. Little cat. It's a workout. Man, maybe I should do that side. It's my side on this side. Yeah, I'll work this side out. I'm gonna use my left arm. See how much I can get. It's 8:11 a.m. and today is November 20th, 2024. It's 7:39 a.m. and I don't see Tuxedo. I think it's somebody else that allows him to come inside. Because before he was gone like 4 days, so I'm happy that he's not out here right now. It's cold. I'm gonna push this because this water gonna turn to ice. I'm gonna push it on down. When the water gets right there, it just starts to roll. Takes on a life of its own. Till it's all the way down to the end of the block, of the alley. Today is Friday, 7:20, and I was trying to get him to come in, and he's not comfortable in the lower part. There's a litter box, so I'm gonna start feeding him from the basement eventually, see if I can get him in. Okay, woo-woo. It's November 22nd, 2024, and I'm gonna start feeding him from the lower part, because I tried to let him come in and he's not used to it yet. But I want to get him cleaned up or sprayed down for, you know, a lot of time they have ticks. So it's 7:42 a.m. and today is Saturday. And it's November 23rd, 2024. I thought I saw another cat. Maybe not the one I normally feed. Maybe I'll put another container of food out here. It's 8:07 a.m. and right away I started sweeping leaves and brought trash out. So this is Tuxedo. I probably gave him his food around 8 or a little after 8. And I'm bringing the other food around here, so because I saw him run the panther off yesterday. I really want to take food to the end of the alley. Let's sweep this up and move the water down a little bit. It's 8:17, and so Tuxedo done came on this side to eat too. So, yeah, and I just swept right there. And the water went all the way down the alley. It's 8:04 a.m. and today is Tuesday, November 26, 2024. It's cold, but that sun is just beautiful right there. It's Tuxedo. It's Tuxedo. So I just swept leaves from inside the yard, and I'm gonna sweep over here. Today is Thanksgiving. Today is Thursday. It's 8:11 a.m. and it's November 28, 2024, and it's just Tuxedo out here today. Happy Thanksgiving, guys.